Ted's Woodworking Review. Ted's Woodworking really works? Warning. Hey guys. Welcome to this review of Ted's Woodworking. If you're thinking about getting into woodworking or just looking for better plans, you'll want to stick around because I'm about to break down everything you need to know. Before we get started, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe. It really helps. Also, if you decide Ted's Woodworking is right for you, there's a special limited time offer in the link below, so don't miss out. What is Ted's Woodworking? Ted's Woodworking is basically the ultimate collection of woodworking plans, with over 16,000 projects for everything from simple furniture to complex builds. It was created by Ted McGrath, a professional woodworker who wanted to make woodworking easy and accessible for everyone, whether you're a beginner or an expert. Each plan comes with step-by-step instructions, material lists, and detailed diagrams, so you never feel lost. If you've ever started a project and realized halfway through that something doesn't make sense, you know how frustrating that can be. Ted's Woodworking eliminates that guesswork. Does Ted's Woodworking really work? Yes, and let me prove it. First, the sheer amount of detail in these plans makes even complicated projects easy. You don't need to be a master carpenter to build high-quality furniture or cool DIY projects. Second, thousands of people have used Ted's Woodworking successfully. Just check out these real testimonials from customers. Mark T. Texas. I was skeptical at first, but wow. These plans are so well structured. I built my first bookshelf in a weekend, and it turned out amazing. David L. California. I used to spend hours searching for decent woodworking plans online. With Ted's Woodworking, everything is in one place. Best investment I've made for my hobby. Why should you get it? Perfect for beginners and experts. Plans range from easy to advanced. Super detailed instructions. No confusion, no wasted wood. 16,000 plus projects. Never run out of ideas. One-time payment. Lifetime access. No subscriptions, no extra fees. Limited time offer plus risk-free guarantee. Ted is so confident in this product that he offers a 60-day money-back guarantee. If you don't love it, you get a full refund, no questions asked. That means zero risk for you. But here's the catch. This special discounted price won't last forever. If you want to grab Ted's Woodworking at the best price available, click the link below before the offer disappears. Click the link below to buy now. That's it, guys. If you found this review helpful, smash that like button and subscribe for more honest reviews. See you in the next one.